Hello, my name is Hamdi Chakroun. I'm a mechanical engineer and product developer. I specialize in mechanical design, 3D modeling, photorealistic rendering, animation, and the development of special machines. If you're looking for someone to turn your ideas into reality from design to production, I'm here to help. I'm skilled in CAD software like Catia V5 and SolidWorks, and I have expertise in plastic processing, industrial maintenance, and automation. I also have over 10 years of experience, including roles as technical director in the plastics industry and working with German engineering firms. Let me show you some of my projects, and please check my portfolio to see more examples. 1. Modeling and design of a 4-cavity mold for plastic cable clamping parts. 2. 3D modeling, development and animation of a site maintenance truck OilServ. 3. Design of automated line for automotive cable factory. 4. 3D modeling and development of a robotic welding jig. 5. 3D modeling, rendering and assembly animation of rolling shutter parts. 6. Modeling, mechanical design and animation of a sieve vibrator machine. 7. Mechanical design and animation of rotating camera tool. 8. Mechanical design and animation of L-sealer packaging machine. 9. Modeling, mechanical design and animation of a centrifugal dryer. 10. Mechanical design and 3D modeling of screw conveyor for plastic feed. 11. Mechanical design of spring drum. Let's discuss your project and see how I can help you achieve your goals.